We always get the last laugh. And when I say we, I mean the men who are going to develop themselves into becoming cold. I mean the men who are going to develop themselves to becoming high value. I mean the men who are going to develop themselves to become alpha. You always get the last laugh. You always get the last laugh. It's supposed to be tough for you right now, bro. You're supposed to struggle right now, bro. Not struggling to the point where you want to give up. Struggling to the point where you want to keep digging, keep going, not giving up. Not giving up when it gets tough. Not trying to go the easy route when it get hard for you. Not wanting to quit when you got to keep digging. Not wanting to indulge into things that requires no discipline because you're not seeing the results right away. It's okay. You always get the last laugh. Be patient. Your time will come only when you put the work in.